Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the experiment practical number 3. Test the step response of RC first order circuit. In this experiment, circuit diagram of RC circuit you can observe on screen. In this circuit diagram, it consists of voltage supply denoted by Vs, R resistor, C capacitor. It is a simple RC circuit. R stands for resistor, C stands for capacitor. For this particular experiment, we need the resources of DSO, digital storage oscilloscope, power supply, and by using these two resources we can perform this activity. So while performing the experiment, we have to follow the procedure. In first step, connect resistor and capacitor in series on breadboard. Connect 5 volt DC supply to RC circuit, and by using DSO, digital storage oscilloscope, we have to find out the response, and in the response at the output we have to find out the various parameters of voltage and time, and same procedure we have to repeat for different values of R and C. It is theoretical procedure. Now this is experimental setup for our experiment. On this kit, it is a resistor and these are capacitors C1, C2, C3. Output it can be observed from these terminals VO. Input supply, it is provided from left hand side. This output it can be observed on DSO. This is DSO, digital storage oscilloscope. DSO. Now you can observe by using this DC supply, we can provide 5 volt voltage by using this DC supply. Set the voltage to approximately 5 volts. This voltage is provided to input for this kit, and the output we can observe on this DSO. By using DSO, we can measure rise time for this circuit. So rise time is 5.5 millisecond. Similarly, fall time Fall time for this circuit is also 5.40 millisecond ms. For this circuit is VPP equal to 3.18. Peak to peak voltage is 3.18. These parameters, they are displayed on the screen of DSO. If we make use of option display all, then here you can observe all the values related to voltage and time, they are displayed on the screen. Vmax, maximum value, minimum value, peak to peak, and rise time and fall time for this particular RC circuit can be measured on the screen of DSO. Now you can observe in this arrangement on breadboard we have connected the value of resistor, we have connected a capacitor and inductor in series, and they are provided with a DC supply, and output of this arrangement, it is noted, it is recorded on this DSO, and by using this knob measure voltage and time, we can measure value of rise time and fall time for this particular arrangement. So in this way we can observe the step input response of RC and RLC circuit. Thank you.